Have you ever wondered where chocolate comes from? More importantly, did you know that something as simple as chocolate could make the world a better place? 52% of the world's chocolate is grown and harvested in the Ivory Coast in Ghana by farmers that make less than $1.50 a day. Together we have the opportunity to improve their lives forever with nothing more than a smartphone, a piece of plastic, and your support. Hi, we're Dauntless Software. We're here because of a simple idea: to use commodity technology you and I take for granted, to help farmers in Africa trace their crops from harvest to processing. We will do this with something we call simplified traceability. With this technology, we can ensure that the harvest is valued properly and the farmer is paid a fair and equitable price for their crop. An additional benefit is that the end consumer can be assured that the supply chain meets and adheres to governmental regulatory requirements such as the FDA Food Safety Modernization Act passed in January of 2011. Finally, with added accountability and visibility, our solution will infuse the supply chain with efficiency, accuracy, and a reduction of product loss due to theft, graft, and neglect. So how do we do this? With a simple tracking lifecycle using near-field communications technology and NFC-enabled smartphones. The lifecycle consists of identifying each farmer, associating NFC tags to the farmer's identity, tagging each bag, scanning the bags for pickup, transporting the bags to the processing site, inspecting each bag for quality, and properly crediting the originating farmer. So why do we need your help? Cocoa in Africa is grown in regions with very little of the infrastructure we in the Western world take for granted. Things like roads, electricity, wire communications, running water, basic healthcare, and critical facilities considered part of a civilized world are nearly non-existent. With an increasing worldwide demand for chocolate, corporate investment for cell communication infrastructure in the region is on the rise. Utilizing this infrastructure, our solution spans the barrier between technology and literacy by providing a visual and audio interface. With an automated and accurate tracking of the harvest, participation in a number of corporate and governmental incentives is made easier for the farmer and the community. These incentives will provide improvements like birthing centers, agricultural education, clean water, public bathrooms, schools, and more. Funds from this campaign will be used for software development, hosting and infrastructure costs, market analysis, reader and tag hardware, and a scalable pilot program that can be used anywhere in the world.